Hey guys, Luke Swain here. That is.
What'd you just say?
The gang is back together. Wow.
I farted.
It's been a long time.
Look at Luke Swain vlogging.
That wasn't the right size song.
14. Try 14.
He said 14.
It's a 14, isn't it? Bro's got the stash.
Anyways, taking Alex's exhaust up. I actually like these tips. So, sweet. Taking this exhaust off of this and putting it on my car. Ow! My shin. No.
We got the gang back together.
It's a 14.
Facts.
Luke's vlogging.
I called it. I called the 14.
Taking,
I said
taking
that.
Alex's exhaust off. Oh man, I ran out of storage.
Bro's not prepared. Yes. Couple fellas. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Spray it in there.
Vaseline apparel. Hello everybody. Come help me.
Is this fact or cap?
I'm getting devious, bro. Why is this man getting devious? Devious, bro. Why you got your booty out?
You don't have to deal with
What's the
shit in
update?
like a little tent.
Tell me the update.
We got 4 bolts off. We're gonna get off the hangers.
You got your booty cheeks on my toes. It's a little odd. It's a little odd, I will say.
Are you?
Am I aroused by it?
Yeah. No.
My pants. I shitted it in. One for the club.
My guy.
Why'd you nut? What?
Just wiggling her down, you know?
I mean, it's like this.
Well,
Sometimes it gets caught upon.
exhaust muffler delete.
Around there.
Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah.
Is that an iPhone 62?
Oh my cornhole. My. L moment.
Just shit my pants. There's poop in them.
No bueno.
Gotta get these studs extracted and then we will revisit.
Lucas is getting touched.